Hey guys, welcome back to the Lux Fiat channel, and today we're going to be going over how you can set up a Metamask wallet on mobile. So let's get right into it. Okay, so here we are on BlueStacks, and essentially what BlueStacks is just an Android emulator for the PC. The reason I'm using this is because I already have it set up on my mobile, and it's a whole different process to go ahead and delete mine, and it's a whole big process. So I'm just going to do it here. It's the same steps, so just go ahead and follow along. So we'll start here with Metamask. Go ahead and click on Metamask. Go ahead and download it from the App Store, Play Store, whichever one you have first. And then go ahead and open this. It's going to bring you this screen. You're just going to click Get Started. Once you have this screen, you're going to go ahead and create new wallet. Agree to everything. You're going to create your password. Fine if it's weak. I'm not going to be using this wallet. Okay, so this is just a video that'll show you what protecting your wallet does. So we'll go ahead and do that. So we'll start. It'll bring this screen. Go ahead and hit start. Confirm your password. Okay, now it's going to show you your secret recovery phrase. Go ahead and hit view. And so this is your secret recovery phrase. You want to put this in a very safe location. You put this in a safe location, you're set. If you don't and you lose it, you lose all your funds in your wallet. So make sure you are securing this wallet by keeping this in a secure area. Go ahead and hit continue. I'm probably going to have to screenshot that. Okay. So once you implement your secret recovery phrase, go ahead and complete backup. And after that, you're all done. You have your wallet. Go ahead and click done. And there you go. Okay, so once you have your wallet set up and you want to add Binance Smartchain to it, what you want to do is go to the 3 bars up here. Click on that. Go down to settings. Go to networks. Click add network in this blue bubble down here. Okay, and this is where you're going to input all the information. And all the information is going to be down below in the description, so go ahead and see that. So, network name, you want to put Binance. The RPC URL is going to be this. I'm going to copy and paste it here. And like I said, all this will be in the description for you, so you can easily copy and paste it. ChainID is 56, symbol is BNB, and Block Explorer is BSC scan. Go ahead and copy and paste that. And then after that, all you have to do is hit add. And there you go. You have your whole Metamask wallet set up as well as connected to Binance Smartchain, so you can go ahead and buy yourself some new altcoins. Okay guys, that concludes this video. I hope you guys enjoyed and found it informative. And if you did, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe button down below. I would appreciate it a lot. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Later.